split stance hip shift hinge. I'm going to step forward about a half step with one leg, shift my weight over towards my trail leg. I'm going to reach my hips back as far as I can, ideally feeling a stretch right in the outside glute of that back leg. Once you feel a stretch, you simply stand up. Reach back as far as I can, and then up. It's okay to get a slight rotation with the shoulders towards that stance leg as you reach down. One big thing we want to focus on is we don't want to drop the weight down, rounding our back. Always keep a neutral spine, reaching the hip back as far as you can.